Hi, I'm Neetal Singh. Welcome to Influencer.life. India is at the beginning of a major revolution, and the power of the internet is making it possible. Imagine the amount of improvements that has come into our lives because of the internet, and now how things are evolving at a much faster rate. Let's discover the true power of the internet in this episode. Today, we're going to learn about the changing scenarios of internet media consumption, the new face of marketing, evolution of influencer marketing, what it takes to become an internet influencer, and we'll be looking at some top Indian internet influencers. Today, we spend most of our time online, on our phones, on our laptops, on our tablets. For every little thing, there are apps or websites available. So much so that we have reduced our TV time, our radio time, and I don't know how many of you are still reading the newspapers. Now imagine if you are not using these media, then what is happening to the advertising money being spent by brands? It's clearly not working the way it used to in the past. Where is this money going, and what are the new trends in advertising and marketing the brands are investing in? The answer is clearly the internet. In the current scenarios, platforms like YouTube are making us watch pre-roll and mid-roll videos which we are forced to watch. Similarly, there are other social media platforms which make us watch these ads which honestly irritate and annoy us. Believe me friends, this all is going to change really soon. And we will experience a new age of advertising and marketing on the internet. And that, my friends, is influencer marketing. Internet influencers are not new to the world, but they have been utilized in very limited capacities. Also in India, there are very few internet influencers who we really recognize. But in times to come, in India, there will be thousands, even lakhs of internet influencers needed to promote and advertise brands. This will take India to the next boom. Okay, so what exactly is an internet influencer? There is a lot of information available on public platforms that may leave you confused. We at Influencer.life will simplify these concepts and bring you closer to the real thing. An internet influencer, first of all, is just a normal human being. But he or she communicates to their audience through the internet, through social media, through websites and through apps. Using content as a unique tool. Content हो सकता है pictures, videos, GIFs या और कोई digital content. This content is published on sites like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, etc., etc., etc. But the special part about the content is that it's specific to a topic. Most influencers create content that they're usually very passionate about. Some of the topics or genres that are very popular today are fashion, beauty, entertainment, fitness, food, travel, technology, and even news and current affairs. But let me tell you, the list of content type is much larger than what you can think of. An average Indian person above the age of 18 views up to 3,000 pieces of content online every day. Out of this, more than 60% of the content is created by normal people like you and me. इस तरह के content को user-generated content कहते हैं. Now, when this content is seen by a substantially large number of people, they want to see more and more of this content. And voila, that's when this normal internet profile converts into an internet influencer profile. So when the next time this person creates new content, there are already tons of followers waiting to receive it, जिसे हम कहते हैं trending or most viewed content. धीरे धीरे, when a person creates a series of content, a lot of people start seeing and spreading it. And that's exactly what brands want to do. And they pay internet influencers and content creators handsomely. And this is just the beginning of an internet influencer's journey. And as more time goes by, this content creator creates more unique content and it keeps its social media timeline busy with more and more people following it. और इसी followership और viewership के लिए brands are ready to invest.
Hi everyone, it's Vrinda. So now, let's look at some of the world's leading internet influencers. Kim Kardashian, Ariana Grande, Kylie Jenner, Justin Bieber, Taylor Swift. Yes, I know these people are big media celebrities and singers. But before they became media sensations, they all started as internet influencers. Before someone noticed them and signed them up for the big league. Now let's look at some of the top leading internet influencers of India. Kanan Gill, Bhuvan Bam, Avneet Kaur, Kusha Kapila, and Dolly Singh. Oh ho, kya hua? Are you thinking that these people are big celebrities, beautiful people and trained professionals? Or inke samne you think you don't stand a fair chance at influencing? That's not right. Let us tell you how internet influencing actually works. Influencer.life is an initiative to bring influencer marketing to common people. With this platform, we wish to educate you, train you, and help you gear up to become leading content creators and internet influencers. So come, join hands with India's premier Internet Influencer Academy and take the first step towards fame, glory, and even money. This is Influencer.life and see you in the next video.